Yeah, hello everyone. Day 50 here, Industrial Fabrication Company. Definitely feels like a bit of a milestone, 50 days. It's been 50 good ones for sure. And ended up a good week here. I know I had a bit of disappointment with not being able to get those drawings approved to get a project done for a customer. But we're working on that, and we'll have that for next week. But we were able to get some different drawings approved for a different project and got that more or less done today. There's one part of it that they're still needing to measure. Once we get that, we'll quickly finish up on Monday, and that'll be ready to go out the door. So that was great. Did some more work, 2-second lean today. We were going through, kind of talking about fixing what bugs us, and some examples of what around the shop and the office bugs us. So we created a list, and I'll pop that up. We have that posted. As we fix those things, we can get them checked off. But one of the things we were talking about, and we'll have a good before and after, is so these are the die for our press brake. So the different sizes so we can bend different things correctly. Right now, if we need anything off the top, it's really difficult to do. It's hard to get up there, hard to get the crane to it. It's just not safe and effective to do. And so we're trying to come up with some solutions. What can we do that can help us, not have that issue? And what we came up with was, kind of a roundabout solution, but it'll kind of have good organization too. So right now, this is the Whitney. It's a big iron worker. We're going to move it across the shop to where all our brooms are, because we've taken up a whole wall with just brooms. We don't need that. Move that over there, and then we're going to chop the top off of that rack and move it here. And then if we ever need to pull something off it, we can either use the crane that's up here to pull it off and move it over and hand it off, or if we bring a forklift in and grab that, and you'll be able to see, and it'll be down lower and it'll be a lot better. Also, we're discussing and realizing, speaking of the brooms, right now we sweep it up, and you create a bit of a cloud, and we have fans going to keep it cool, and the doors are open. It's blowing across. What if we had backpack battery powered shop vacs, and we just vacuumed up instead of sweeping? We'd be able to get into corners better. We wouldn't then have to scoop it up, and it's just being sucked up out of the way, get into the cracks better. So I'll be investigating that. But yeah, it was good. We got more quotes out the door today, and we got a good list of things that we can do to get the company better, not only for it to be more efficient, but also just be a more enjoyable place to work. Yeah, signing off for now.